साल से ऊपर होने को आ गया है कि हम लोग कोविड-19 के कारण काफी ज्यादा परेशान चल रहे हैं। द होल नेशन हैज एक्चुअली गॉन ऑन अ कंप्लीट स्टैंड स्टिल। एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री जो सबसे ज्यादा इफेक्ट हुई है कोविड-19 के कारण वो है एंटरटेनमेंट एंड शोबिज इंडस्ट्री। द शूटिंग्स ऑफ शोज, सीरियल्स, मूवीज और मे बी वेब सीरीज एवरीवेयर हैज बीन हॉल्टेड। कितने सारे शोज की शूटिंग को हॉल्ट करने के साथ साथ उनके सेट्स को कंप्लीटली रिलोकेट कर दिया गया है। द प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट हैज सिंपली skyrocketed and a lot of people have ended up losing their jobs. Not only that, actors के पास भी फिलहाल काम नहीं है। और इन्हीं सारी रीजंस के बीच में एक ऐसे कलाकार who was recently blessed with yet another baby girl has decided to not really return back to India from Canada with his 3 daughters and his wife. इस बारे में बात करते हुए करणवीर बोरा who is currently in Canada with his wife and 3 daughters ने अपने डिसीजन के बारे में रिवील किया। उन्होंने असली रीजन बताया कि क्यों वो घर वापस यानी कि इंडिया नहीं आना चाहते। करण कहते हैं, We were booked to return to India on 4th May, but all our friends and relatives have advised us against returning at this point, especially with a newborn baby with us. So we have postponed our return home to the end of the month. Hopefully the virus would have slowed down until then. Well, his wife TJ left for Vancouver in November 2020 to have their 3rd baby there. While the 3rd baby girl was born to Karanveer and TJ on December 21st, 2020 in Vancouver. Now the family is getting restless to return home. Karan कहते हैं, I was back in India while my family was here in Canada. I even shot a film while in Mumbai called as Patal Pani. Then I had come back to Canada to get my wife and daughters as our ticket for 4th May was booked. I flew out of India before the COVID surge again started. After that, the craziest things have happened and now we have to cancel our tickets all over again. Well, आपको बता देते हैं, meanwhile, the actor has been enjoying all his possible time with his daughters and also with his wife in Canada. Well, recently, Karanveer ने अपने newborn baby के साथ एक picture share करते हुए caption किया था, There is something so amazing and beautiful and special about daughters. Sometimes I wonder how my heart can handle so much of love. While it is rightly said कि लड़कियां वाकई में अपने फादर्स की आंखों का तारा होती हैं. They indeed are the apple of the eyes of their fathers. But it seems like that Karan has not been blessed once but thrice with the same apple and it seems कि उनका प्यार अपनी बेटियों के लिए दिन बर दिन प्रतिदिन सिर्फ और सिर्फ बढ़ता जा रहा है. Well, we can only say that Karan, that was quite a smart move to actually stay back in Canada because currently the situations here in India are not at all as good as for the newborn baby that you are gonna get along with you. We really hope that in our nation things get really better so that life can go back to the pace of that normalcy that we had almost before 2020 actually started and hit us with coronavirus ka outbreak. Well, we would only say that all our viewers, our listeners and our followers, please stay safe, be home, wear your mask, sanitize yourself and also try being as careful as you are. Until then, नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में करण के उठाए गए इस बड़े कदम या ये कहें स्मार्ट मूव के बारे में आप क्या सोचते हैं जरूर शेयर करिएगा. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.